Are you ready to do some spring cleaning? This is something I get asked all the time. You want to see inside my closets, know what my process is for cleaning out. And now that it's spring, I thought this is the perfect opportunity. I am basically in my pajamas with my hair clip on, doing my spring cleaning today. So I have a lot I need to take out of my closet, and I've already started 3 piles. In fact, I'm going to turn the camera over here so you can see right here. This is my thread up bag. Those are things I'm going to be selling. This pile right here is clothing I'm donating to Goodwill. And this pile over here are clothes that I'm taking to the dry cleaner to get, it's mostly cashmere sweaters, to get those cashmere items cleaned, and then I can put them away until the fall. So you always see my closet from this side. I've got a lot of stuff on there right now, but now I've turned it around to these wardrobes that my mother had installed, and I really don't use these. I only use them for storage, but as you can see, it's stuffed to the gills. A lot of stuff needs to come out of here and get organized, and I'm actually feeling overwhelmed. I know it's something we talk about all the time on this channel, but I've got stuff stacked in here. I've got shopping bags and other stuff shoved over here. This closet has a lot of things that I was thinking about. Don't know if I'm going to keep wearing. Some of them I've already put into the thread up bag. And I've got my handbags here, and also a lot of shirts that were my dad's that I just wasn't ready to part with. And I wear them all the time. I have one on right now. They are kind of my cozy shirt, and I find that there's some I really love and some that it's okay if I part with. So I'm just going to keep the ones that I wear all the time. But as you can see, I have a problem that I need to address. So that's what we're going to get into today. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is start going through that section that I told you about, that are all those pieces that I brought back with me from California. And I'm surprised to tell you that I really have not worn so many of these items. I think they just don't fit my lifestyle anymore. Some of them don't fit my body, and they just don't feel like me at the moment. They're just a different vibe than what I wear now. So I'm giving myself permission to go through those items ruthlessly and get rid of the ones that aren't serving me any longer. And like I said, I have had them hanging around for almost a year. And since I haven't gone to them, I don't think that I will. Um, I'm getting rid of them. So most of them are going to ThredUp. Some of them are going to Goodwill. And I'm giving myself permission to say goodbye to those pieces. They served me for a long time, but it's okay to let go of them now. Now, this closet is filled with things that I still currently wear, but they just need to be organized by season. I've got all the seasons mixed up, and I have some things that need repair. Look at this pair of pants. They had a hole in they're lovely velvet pants, but they have a hole in the pocket. And guess what? I did not wear them at all over the winter because that pocket drove me crazy. So I'm removing them from the closet, and I will not be putting them back in until I make that simple repair. So all my wintry sweaters are going to go up on the top shelf so that I don't have to worry about reaching them, and I really don't need to see them. They're just kind of up and out of the way. And then I'm going to save that second shelf for the things, the sweaters and things that I currently wear in the spring and summer. Now I'm down on the lower part of my closet, and I'm getting all that organized. Things are all over the place. But one thing that you might not realize that's going through my head and driving me absolutely bonkers is all of the different hangers, because some of these were my mom's hangers, some I brought from California. I use all wood hangers in my videos. I was thinking of getting velvet, and then I thought, wait, I use all wood hangers. I don't want to keep switching them out all the time. It's a pain in the neck. So as soon as I got done organizing my closet, I went ahead and ordered more wooden hangers. I will provide links in the description if you'd like them, but it just gives such a nice cohesive look, and I will show you that finished look later in the video. But right now what I'm doing is things got all jumbled were not organized by classification. So I'm going through and putting all of my button-down shirts together on that lower right shelf. And I'm putting all of my pants in the longer cabinet that I'm pulling things out of right now. Pants and skirts. So that's the left shelf is going to be, the left cabinet is going to be bottoms. The right is button downs on the lower and knitted tops on the top because I don't wear those quite as often. And I'm also going to put bags up there. So you can see how much better this little closet on the left is looking already just by getting the pants organized. And I haven't even arranged them by color yet. Now, it seems like I'm going to be going back and forth, but it's because I moved all of the things that were in the bottom of the cabinet on the right, where my button downs now go. I needed a place to put them. So they are going to be, that was all sweaters that were shoved down in the bottom. And they're the ones that I like to wear in the spring and summer. So I'm putting them nice, front and centered so that I can get them easily. You know how much I love to wear sweaters over my shoulders. Love having them in lots of different colors. So that's going to be my little sweater shelf. Now I don't have lots of dresses, but I do have a number of longer like tunic dresses or shirt dresses that do not fit over on the right. They're just too long. I don't want them pedaling all over the floor. So I've decided to put those dresses here on the left-hand side of the pants. I'd prefer to get them out of there, but I just don't have room at the moment to put them. There's a third cabinet over all the way on the right that is just mostly storage. We have like gift wrap and all kinds of crazy things in there at the moment. But my long-term goal is to get the dresses out of there and put them in the third cabinet. But for now, they're just going to be on the left. Now that I've organized by classification, I'm on to my absolute favorite part of all closet organization, and that is organizing by color. So you can see I'm starting from light to dark, and I'm just putting all of my pants and skirts together by color. And I do tend to keep all of the skirts. I don't have many skirts, so the couple that I have, I keep in with my pants, since it's more of a bottom section rather than a pants or skirts section. So look at how much better that's looking. Ah, I just absolutely love seeing things organized by color. Now, one thing I have in my collection is this jewelry organizer. I use it for all my fun costume jewelry. It keeps everything organized and nearby, so when I'm getting dressed, I can just grab it. I'm not digging through a jewelry basket. And I think there's about 80 pockets on that thing, so I can have tons of fun jewelry stuck in there. Doesn't take up any room, as you can see, and it's right there when I need it. And let's not forget about my shoes. I keep them all organized in these two drawers that are right under my bottoms cabinet. So you can see I have lots of slides and sandals from living in California. I'm slowly starting to add in some sneakers, and here are the boots that I've added in. Well, now it's time for the big reveal of my finished closet. All of my hangers arrived, and you can see on the left I have all of my longer tops and dresses. I've gotten some shorts hanging there, but I don't need them yet. And then I have all of my bottoms organized by color. I absolutely love the way the closet looks right now. Deep in the back of the closet, I found this little doll that was my mom's when she was little, and I've tucked her up in the upper right-hand corner just to keep me company. Now, this cabinet is not done because I will be getting things back from the dry cleaner, so I'll add those in and reorganize that upper shelf when I get those. And now we're over at my button downs. I absolutely love this portion of the closet because look at how it's organized from light to dark. Everything's beautiful, matching hangers, and then over on the right, I have my scarves. You can see that little rack on the right. And here they are. I organized them again from light to dark, rainbow order, just so pretty. and easy to get to and easy to use when I'm putting on a button-down shirt. All of my knit tops are up in this upper left-hand corner. I don't wear them that often this time of year, so they're fine up there. If you want an easy way to hang your bags, you're going to love these hooks. See how they're kind of a turned S? Well, it makes it so that when you hang it, your bags hang flat. They're not fighting the system and being all bulky. Look at how good my bags look. And I have some of them stacked, so there's multiples hanging below. Love these little hooks. And finally, this is what my capsule wardrobe is looking like right now. I've brought in lots of color, sweaters for over my shoulders, of course, and coordinating bottoms, but I love bright, fun colors right now. And if you'd like to do this with your own wardrobe, be sure to get my free Ultimate Style Refresh Guide that will help you get organized to build a closet full of clothes you love to wear. Of course, I will link it down below in the description, so be sure to get your free copy. Did you like this kind of raw behind the scenes video? Let me know in the comments. You know I love hearing from you. Stay gorgeous, and I'll see you in the next video.